Number 30. What is needed in the cytoplasm to make proteins at a ribosome? Okay, so what is needed in the cytoplasm to make proteins at a ribosome? So ribosome is the organelle that produces proteins within a cell so that the cell can actually use the protein. Okay. So what is needed? Of course, the cells need DNA. So the DNA becomes RNA, or actually DNA doesn't become RNA. mRNAs are actually made from the DNA. I've got to make the correction there. And the process is called transcription. So from DNA, mRNAs are made. And these mRNAs go out of the nucleus and they meet up with the ribosome. And of course, this mRNA gets read by, or gets translated by ribosomes, and that's how proteins are made. So this process is called translation. And of course, we have to say that DNA is needed, but strictly speaking, it's the mRNA that are read, that are translated. And of course, to make proteins, we need amino acids, right? Proteins are made of amino acids. So the answer for this question should be C. All good? Sweet as.